Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Silent Hill F game not launching, crashing, lagging, freezing, not loading issue on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs and glitches that is leading to such problem. You just need to open PS5 screen and then click on PlayStation button on controller and then select restart PS5. After restarting your PS5, check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, then hold on power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, check storage space on console. So for that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Then check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network. Then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next method is to change the language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose the language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. Then change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and follow the instructions to proceed further. And after that, try to play the game and see if it resolves. If not, next solution is to restore licenses. First open settings, then click on users and accounts and move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Silent Hill F game and then click on restore. Finally confirm it by selecting yes, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. Next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help you to fix the issue on PS5. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. First go to settings and click on user and account. Next go down and click on other option. After that click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. Next is to delete game's save file. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data. Here select upload or delete from console storage and after that select Silent Hill F game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to reset your console settings. So for that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last select restore option. If not, next is to reinstall Silent Hill F game. For that, first highlight Silent Hill F on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Silent Hill F game again to check for the error is resolved or not. If not, the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then it should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. Just go through it and explain the issue you are coming across while playing the game. Hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the issue you are coming across while playing Silent Hill F game on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.